Over the years, we've come to appreciate that octopuses are incredibly clever. They can successfully move through mazes, get themselves out of containers, and use tools. They even have a great track record of escaping from their tanks. Well, it turns out that octopuses are even smarter than we think, and genomics is teaching us exactly how intelligent they are and perhaps why. In a paper published recently in Cell, scientists found that when octopuses are in warmer versus cooler temperatures, they actually edit their RNA to survive differently. For their experiments, the researchers looked at a species of octopus called the California two-spot octopus. They put some octopuses in warm water and they put some other octopuses in cool water, and then they studied the RNA in their brains. The octopuses were found to edit thousands of sites in the RNA differently, depending upon the water temperature, thereby changing their physiology in a complex way to adapt to the different environments. Now, as you know, RNA is the molecule that takes instructions from DNA to help to create proteins. In other words, RNA is what organisms use to translate the genetic code to make the materials for sustaining life. When octopuses edit their RNA because of the different temperatures, they're actually changing the proteins that they make, so that a gene that codes for one protein can actually end up being slightly a different protein depending upon the temperature of the water surrounding the octopus. Now, that's just way cool. It is sort of like the octopus is swapping out its summer lightweight jacket for a puffy coat when it gets cold. Scientists think that octopuses change or edit their RNA to help their brains function in different water temperatures. Now, I don't know about you, but when the weather gets way too hot or way too cool, I find it hard to think straight. So I guess that I too might want to revert to editing my brain's RNA as well. So the next time you get chilly or you find yourself on a snowy hike, be grateful you can just put on a jacket. And you don't have to go through all the trouble of editing your RNA. And that is just way cool.